channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about exciting news from Redbubble, and we're going to introduce you to the curator program, and we're going to help you to understand how it works and how you can take advantage of this wonderful new update by Redbubble. So if you're an artist or if you love sharing your fantastic artwork and products and designs on Redbubble, you definitely want to hear about Redbubble's latest update. So the Redbubble partnership team recently rolled out a new curator program, which offers a wonderful opportunity to earn cash back while promoting artwork on their platform. So the curator program is an affiliate marketing initiative within Redbubble's ecosystem. And here's how it works. So by signing up through the link, participants also partner with Redbubble via a third-party affiliate marketing website called Impact. And once you sign up, you'll receive a unique link that can be used to promote either your own artwork or products from other artist seller shops on Redbubble. And the catch here is to earn around that 8% cashback. And the highlight of the curator program is the 8% cashback reward for every purchase made through your own unique affiliate link. If someone clicks on your link and buys your product or the product that you're promoting, you will earn 8% of the purchase amount as a cashback. And it is a really beautiful, straightforward way to earn extra cash while supporting artists and sharing unique designs with your audience. Now, how can you apply and what is the application process like? While the curated program sounds interesting, it's essential to note that it may not be available to all Redbubble sellers yet. Some recipients received an email invitation to join the program, while others, they need to check their promotions or spam folders to check if they have received any missed communication that might be incorrectly flagged as spam. And it's still being determined whether Redbubble plans to expand this program to all sellers or is currently in a testing phase with selected participants only. Now, comparing with other programs, you may recall similar referral or affiliate programs. If you are familiar with other print-on-demand platforms, we've got Teespring as well. Interestingly, Redbubble's sister company, TeePublic, already has its own referral program. However, what makes this Redbubble program different is that it focuses on promoting products rather than recruiting new artists. And you need to consider, is this worth your time or not? Is this an affiliate program that you want to put in the energy and time to? So whether or not you sign up for the curator program, it depends on your own circumstances and your own goals that you want to achieve. For some artists, promoting their artwork through social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest will give them great results without additional promotion channels. However, the curator program could present a valuable opportunity for other people, especially those seeking to diversify their income streams. As with any new program, you need to weigh the pros and the cons before diving in. While the curated program offers a new way to earn cashback and support fellow artists, it may not be a fit for everyone. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.